Welcome to NNK English Academy for the PGTRB English Preparation. Unit 5 Shakespeare's Drama for non-detailed study Henry the Fourth Part 1. This is the Part 1 video. We are taken the most difficult questions and expected questions as well as the previous year's questions of this video. Part 1 deals with nearly 25 multiple choice questions with answer for the fast revisions purpose. We are taken that for your valuable suggestion always to welcome through nnkenglishacademy@gmail.com. We will enter into the text. Question number 1. When was Henry IV Part 1 probably written? The options are option A 1596, option B 1597, option C 1598, option D 1599. When was Henry the Fourth Part 1 probably written? The correct answer is option B 1597. Next question. When was Henry the Fourth Part 1 published? The options are option A 1598, option B 1596, option C 1597, option D 1599. The correct answer is option A 1598. Next question. What is the main source of Henry the Fourth? The options are option A Holinshed, option B Pultrock Lives, option C Ekitomiti, option D none. What is the main source of Henry the Fourth? The correct answer is option A Holinshed. Next question. Where was the King Henry planning to go in the beginning of Henry the Fourth? The options are option A Jerusalem, option B Italy, option C Rome, option D Bethlehem. Where was Henry planning to go in the beginning of Henry the Fourth? The correct answer is option A Jerusalem. Next question. Who among the following was not imprisoned by Hotspur? The options are option A Mordek, option B Murray, option C Caithness, option D Angus. Who among the following was not imprisoned by Hotspur? The correct answer is option C Caithness. Next question. Who is the Earl of Five in Henry the Fourth Part 1? The options are option A Douglas, option B Angus, option C Glendower, option D Mordek. Who is the Earl of Five in Henry the Fourth? The correct answer is option D Mordek. Next question. Who does not join Falstaff in highway robbery? The options are option A Poins, option B Bardolph, option C P2, option D Gatschel. Who does not join Falstaff in highway robbery? The options are, the correct answer is option A Poins. Next question. What was the old name of Henry the Fourth? The options are option A Richard, option B Edward, option C Bolingbroke, option D Mortimer. What was the old name of Henry the Fourth? The correct answer is option C Bolingbroke. Next question. Where did the Falstaff Company go for highway robbery? The options are option A York, option B Gads Hill, option C London, option D Gatschel. Where did the Falstaff Company go for highway robbery? The correct answer is option B Gads Hill. Next question. What is the name of Lady Percy? What is the name of Lady Percy? The options are option A Mary, option B Kate, option C Catherine, option D Lucy. What is the name of Lady Percy? The correct answer is option B Kate. Next question. How many years was Francis working in Boyer's Head Tavern? The options are option A 5, option B 4, option C 3, option D 6. How many years was Francis working in Boyer's Head Tavern? The correct answer is option A 5 years. Next question. Who is the barmaid in a Boyer's Head Tavern? The options are option A Mistress Quickly, option B Mistress Overdone, option C Mistress Fast, option D none. Who is the barmaid in Boyer's Head Tavern? The correct answer is option A Mistress Quickly. Next question. Who is the son of Law of Mortimer? The options are option A Hotspur, option B Glendower, option C Northumberland, option D Worcester. Who is the son of Law of Mortimer? The correct answer is option B Glendower. Next question. Which language did Mortimer's wife speak? The options are option A Scottish, option B Irish, option C Welsh, option D French. Which language did Mortimer's wife speak? The correct answer is option C Welsh. Next question. Where did the final battle between the Hotspur and Prince Hal take place? The options are option A Halmden, option B London, option C Shrewsbury, option D Streebury. Where did the final battle between Hotspur and Prince Hal take place? The correct answer is option C Shrewsbury. Next question. What is the strength of King's army? The options are option A 3000, option B 300, option C 30,000, option D 30,500. What is the strength of King's army? The correct answer is option C 30,000. Next question. Who was the king before Henry IV? The options are option A Richard III, option B Henry III, option C Edward III, option D Richard II. Who was the king before the Henry IV? The correct answer is option D Richard III. Richard II. Who was the king before Henry IV? The correct answer is option D Richard II. Next question. In the battle, what does Falstaff carry in the place of a pistol? The options are option A dagger, option B a purse full of gold to bribe his enemies, option C a skin of wine, option D gun. In the battle, what does Falstaff carry in the place of the pistol? The correct answer is option D. Correct answer is option C a skin of wine. By mistake, it will be to given it as a correct answer is D, but the correct answer is option C a skin of wine. Next question. Who kills Hotspur? The options are option A Kate, option B Falstaff, option C King Henry, option D Harry. Who kills Hotspur? The correct answer is option D Harry. Next question. To what family does Hotspur belong? The options are option A Woodville, option B Lancaster, option C Percy, option D none. To what family does Hotspur belong? The correct answer is option C belongs to Percy family. Next question. Where did Gatchel get his name? The options are option A from a church, option B from the theatre poster, option C from the Queen herself, option D from a place where he has stayed many robberies. Again question, where did Gatzel get his name? The correct answer is option D, from a place where he has stayed many robberies. Next question, how does Falstaff survive the battle? The options are option A, by fighting fearlessly, option B, by hiding underwater, option C, by playing dead, option D, by fleeing to France. How does Falstaff survive to the battle? The correct answer is option C, by playing dead. Next question, how many characters are involved in sword fightings? How many characters are involved in the sword fightings? The options are option A 4, option B 5, option C 7, option D 6. Again question, how many characters are involved in sword fightings? The correct answer is option D 6. Thanks for NNK English Academy. Subscribe our channel. Kindly to share, like and comment. Your valuable suggestions is always welcome to us. Kindly to text me nnkenglishacademy@gmail.com. Thank you.